If you've lost access to your Steam account, regaining ownership is crucial to accessing your games and personal information. Follow these steps to recover your account efficiently. Step 1. Visit the Steam support page. Go to the official Steam support website. This is where you can find the tools and resources needed to recover your account. Step 2. Select I can't access my account. On the support page, look for the option that states I can't access my account. Click on it to proceed to the recovery options. Step 3. Identify your account. You will be prompted to enter your account information such as your email address or phone number associated with the account. Provide the necessary details to help identify your account. Step 4. Follow the recovery instructions. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Update your account security. Once you regain access, immediately update your password and enable two-factor authentication. This will help secure your account against future unauthorized access. By following these steps, you should be able to regain ownership of your Steam account quickly. Always remember to keep your account information secure to prevent future issues.